If you have to go for mandatory quarantine upon arrival to Canada, who will pay the hotel cost? Will your travel insurance pay for it? You know that Canada is introducing mandatory quarantine for at least 3 days in the government approved hotels. It will cost you at least $2,000 per person. We will discuss how your travel insurance will respond to this new decision and what they will cover while you are visiting Canada. Welcome everyone who is listening to this video. I am delighted to introduce this new YouTube channel, Insurance Talk. From now on, Insurance Talk will come to you with exclusive information, explanation of various issues related to the Canadian insurance. Please subscribe to the channel to get notification and exclusive information on all kind of insurance. And I am Shaukat Ali Sagar, a licensed insurance broker, will be with you to answer all of your questions. First of all, let me to share you good news. Most of the Canadian travel insurance companies cover COVID-19 emergency medical expenses under Visitor to Canada and International Student Policy. That means, after coming to Canada, if you are COVID-19 positive, your insurance will cover medical expenses for the treatment. Please keep in mind, I said most of the companies cover COVID-19 emergency medical expenses, but not all. Please check your policy document and confirm whether your policy has that coverage or not. Now, let us discuss who will pay your hotel bills if you have to stay for 3 days in a government approved hotel just after coming to Canada. Will your travel insurance policy cover your bill for the mandatory quarantine? No. Your travel insurance will not pay you for the expenses of quarantine. You have to pay this minimum $2,000 hotel cost and other necessary cost for the quarantine period. Quarantine that is generally mandated by a government public authority is excluded in every travel insurance policy. So be prepared for the additional expenses for the mandatory quarantine. Once you finish this mandatory quarantine and go your destination, you can rely on your travel insurance for any sudden sickness or accident, including COVID-19 positive medical expenses. If you have further questions or need to know any particular information, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel Insurance Talk, your reliable source of exclusive information about insurance. By the way, the information discussed in this video is only for information purposes. You need to talk with a licensed broker or agent for professional advice regarding any insurance matter. Stay well, stay with Insurance Talk for your most reliable insurance related information.